voice that will turn back the light, take me anywhere. All my days have
ngabe bengikhuluma nabani ngize ngimoyitela kangaka we. Hi guys, I come back. I'm tired. I want to go home. My eyes are actually reddish. My hair. I want to go home. I'm done with this day. I'm done, Shem. I didn't end the vlog yesterday. I didn't end the vlog Saturday. I'm supposed to edit that vlog today and post it tomorrow. I didn't because I don't know. Yesterday I wanted to edit so bad, but I got sick for some. I wasn't sick. I was tired. Like I was genuinely tired. I was so sleepy. I had a headache. Yeah. Something wasn't adding up in my body. I was really ill. But I'm fine now. Prayer changes. Prayer healed me, so I'm fine now. So I'm happy about that. I'm just waiting for my boss to come back, so I go. I need to go before I go home. I have a session now at 2 or 3, so it makes no sense for me to be here around this time because there aren't any commies. So yeah, I will be going. Someone is passing by this office and they're looking at me speaking to the camera. Yo, Shem, don't really think I'm speaking to myself. I just thought I'd just come here and show face. I don't know if this... Oh, I moved my nails, guys, because I unbraided, so it was becoming tangled now on my hair and it wasn't working, so I had to remove them. Yeah, I moved my nails. I'm back to my short clothes. So yeah, so I don't know if this clip will be in my Saturday edit. If it is, hi, this is future me telling you guys, oh my gosh guys, someone just saw me do that. Disgusting. I need to stop. So if you see this clip, this is future me saying we went over to her friend's house, Bongani and Lisa. Subscribe to her channel. I will link her thing in here. Subscribe to her channel. They invited us over to their house. It was a bring and share vibe. Yo, it was giving, Shem, guys. It was giving. We thoroughly enjoyed the games of fun. We had talks. Thank God that some of our friends are married, so we had to cut things short because people wanted to go back to their houses. Yeah. You know, so if we honestly took longer, there would have been tears, because those were beautiful conversations. You know, I literally almost cried. I almost cried, but damn, I did not cry. I almost cried, Shem. It was really like, it was so beautiful. It was wholesome. I felt whole after the entire thing. Yes, I was exhausted because I haven't rested in a while, but I felt whole. I felt like my heart was full. Yeah, but now when you've eaten that beautiful meal that you've been craving for, that's how I felt after Saturday. And Lisa and Bongani, if you're watching this, thank you so much, guys, for having us over at your house. And to my friends, Fish, Tabelo Malungelo, HS, Lisa's sister, and I'm not forgetting, I'm really not good at names. Like, guys, thank you so much to everyone who was there. It was so beautiful. The meat, the food. Oh! Guys, my friends can cook. My friends can really cook. It's disgusting, actually, how people are so talented. Like, my friends can cook. I was so full. I got home and I didn't eat. I didn't want anything. Like I had to sleep on the side because my stomach was. Yeah, it was really wholesome, Shem. I'm grateful that I'm able to take this off my vision board because I had planned that this year I want to have wholesome friendships. I want to spend more time with friends, and to spend that much time with my friends. And to spend that much time with friends to me was just so beautiful. So I'm just really grateful. And I hope you guys enjoyed. Yo guys, this vlog is really blurry, so I'll probably be inserting me somewhere in that video. Yeah, so it doesn't look as much weird. Yeah. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. You know where the danger is? The danger is I have errands to run, and this is what's going on. And yeah. I want to catch the lightning. Oh, that's so cool. I caught thunder instead. Come on, really? You don't want to give me the glory? Huh? I was showered in heavenly blessings. Literally showered.
Tried to leave it all behind. Wandered alone through the night. Me and all of my dreams are fading. My darkness has won the fight. Is there someone there? A voice that will turn back the light. Take me anywhere. All my days has turned to sand, a place with no start and no end. In